Welcome dear students. Today's topic is factors and multiples. How to differentiate between a factor and multiple? Before we will learn this, so first of all we should learn the factors. What are factors? So you can see, let's have an example here. We are dividing any number. You can take 16 divides by 2. So you know that 2, if you read the table of 2 8 times 16, remainder becomes 0. Any other number you can take, 3 divides 27, 3 9 are 27, remainder becomes 0. One more example we can take, 1 1 2. Here 3 divides this, 3 3 is 9, and remainder left here. We can take 3 3 is 9, 2, then 2, 3 7 is 21, but remainder comes 1. So you can see 3 cases I have given here. When we divide 16 by 2, remainder came 0. When we divide this 27 by 3, remainder came here 0. But when I divide 112 by 3, here remainder comes 1. Means here the remainder is not 0. So if a number is divisible by, if 16 is divisible by 2, it means 2 is a factor of 16. And how many times it is divisible? You can say 16 is divisible by 2 8 times. So 2 and 8 both are factors of 16. Here 3 divides 27. 3 divides 27. How many times? 9 times, and remainder becomes 0 here. So 3 and 9 both are factors of 27. Here 3 divides 112, but 112 is not divisible by 37. So 3 and 37 both are not factors of 112. Means what is the main condition? After dividing any number by a given number, remainder should come to 0. So in another way you can see how to explain it. Factors and multiples are different things. Both are different. They are different things, but how they are similar? One thing is they are different things, but question is how they are similar. They are similar in that way because both involves multiplication. In both, multiplication is involved. You can see now, factor and multiples are different things. So how they are same? But both involves multiplication. In both, multiplication will come. So let's see the factors. What are the factors? Factors are what we multiply. Factors are what we multiply. So you can see, to get a number. Now here it is 16. Upside I have done divide. We divide 16 by 2. Answer came 8. So you can see we want to get 16. So what we will do, we will multiply 16. To get 16, 2 multiply 8. So 2 and 8 both are factors of 16. Same way 16. We can write here for 16 something else. We can write 4 into 4. For getting 16 we can multiply 4 into 4. So 4 and 4 are also factors of 16. So any other way you can say 12. How to get 12? To which two numbers you will multiply to get 12? So you can see 3 into 4. So according to the definition, factors are what we can multiply. Factors are what we can multiply to get the number. We want to get 12, so 3 into 4. 3 and 4 both are factors of 12. Again, we in place of this we can do 2 into 6. Then also 12. So 2 and 6 are also factors of 12. Or what we can do, 12 is equal to 12 into 1. So 12 and 1 are also factors of 12. So means to get a number, which two numbers you will multiply, these are called the factors of a given number. Factors are what we can multiply to get the number. If you want to get the 16, so 2 into 8, 2 and 8 are multiplied. 2 and 8 are factors of 16. For 16 we can write 4 into 4. 4 and 4 are also factors of 16. For 12, 3 into 4, 3 and 4 are factors of 12. For 12 we can write 2 into 6. 2 and 6 are factors of 12. For 12 you can write 12 into 1. 12 and 1 are also factors of 12. Next is multiples. Now see here, what are multiples? Multiples are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer, not a fraction. Multiples are what we get after multiplying a number by an integer. So multiples, you can see, if you want to get multiple of 6, so multiple of 6, for 6, what you will do, you can multiply 6 into 1, you will get 6. 6 into 2, you will get 12. 6 into 3, 18. Means in simple way, if you are going to find a multiple of any number, you can write its table. Correct. Table up to, not up to 10, up to 1000. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, then 6 10 6 11. These all the products, all the multiples, all the multiple of these you will get. These all are called the multiples of 6. Next one more important thing is that what I am going to explain. Now one more very interesting fact which is about the factors and multiple is, factors of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Let's see. Factor of 12. Factors of 12 means, factors of 12 are those numbers by which we can divide 12. So 12 is divisible by 1, 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 3, 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 6, 12 is divisible by 12. Because if you will read the table of these numbers, 12 will come there. 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12, 12 1 is 12. It means this 12 is coming in the table of 1 2 3 4 6 12. That's why these are the factors of 12. Now one more example you can take. Factors of 1, we can take it like an easy one we can take, so that big here we can write for 16 1 2 4 and 8 16. See again, 1 2 4 8 and 16. 16 comes in the table of 1 2 4 8 and 16. That's why factor of 16 are 1 2 4 8 and 16. Now what is the important thing here? You can see we are finding the factor of 12. So factors of 12 are equal to 12 or all are less than 12. These are equal to 12 or less than 12. So here factors of 16, all are less than 16 or equal to 16. Next we are having multiples. Multiples of a number are always equal to the number or more than the number. Now we can take same. Multiples of 6. As I told you, if you are writing multiple of 6, we will write the table of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. Then next is 30, 36 and so on. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So what is the common? I told you if you are going to write multiple of any number means we need to write the table of that number. So 6, 12. So what is the common thing? What is the important thing here? If you are finding the multiples of 6, multiple of 6 are multiples of a number is always equal to the number. If you are finding multiple of 6, so multiple of the 6 will equal to 6 or more than 6. You can see all the multiples are more than 6. If you are finding multiple of 12, so multiple of 12 will be equal to 12 or more than 12. So one thing we understand, factors of a number is equal to that number or less than that number, and multiple of a number are always equal to that number or greater than that number. Now dear students, we studied factors and multiple. Next is, because upcoming topics will be LCM and HCF. Before we will do the LCM and HCF, it is better to know prime numbers and prime factors. So now I am teaching prime numbers. First of all, because before we will do this prime factor, we should know what are prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself, means which doesn't come in the table of other numbers. Like 2 comes in the table of 2, 3 will come in table of 3, 5 will come in table of 5, like 7, 11, all and so on, they will come in their own table. Now see prime factors. How to do the prime factors of 16? 16's prime factor we are doing, and we will divide only by these numbers. Prime factors we are finding, so we will divide by only by these prime numbers only. Only by these means more prime numbers will be there. I have written up to 23, so you can find out and divide by more. And for dividing, you can at least you can see my video one video I made on divisibility test. That is also very important for LCM, HCF and for prime factor. Now see, we are doing prime factors of 16. So in prime factors, we will divide by only by 2, 3, 5, 7 by prime numbers. So 16 is divisible by 2 or not, because one's place is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 8 again we will see 2 is divisible, 8 is divisible by 2. Yes, then divide by 2. 2 4 again see 2, again 2 is divisible by 2. So prime factors, 16's factor will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And you can take another example, like we can do factors of 112 for this. 1, 1, 2. You can see one's place there is 2, so it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 12, 6 times. And if you don't know, you can do this practice also by 2. 1, 1, 2. 2 5s are 10. Here left 1, 2. 2 6 are 12. So division complete 56 times we have written. Again one's place you can see it is 6. That's why I am saying you have, at least you can see my divisibility test 1 video which I previously made. So by that you will easily understand a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, how you will identify it. So 56 at one's place there is 6. So it is divisible by 2. 2 2 to the 4, 1 remainder 6, 16, 2 8 is 16, again by 2, 2 14 times, again 14 is divisible by 2 7 times, then 7 1 time. So prime factors of 1 2 is equal to 2 multiply 2 into 2 into 7. These are the prime factors of 112. So after this, in next video we will see how to find out LCM and HCF. Thank you.